I swear I'm wearing a top. Just one of those like bungee tops and the hair covers it. Just an FYI. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my August BOXYCHARM. If you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription service that sends around 5 full-size beauty products every single month. It is $25 US and I pay whatever the exchange rate is at the time that my card is, what's the word for it? Oh my god. Whenever my card is charged, there you go. And yeah, I've been getting BOXYCHARM for a couple of years now. I just really enjoy it, and yeah, this isn't sponsored or anything like that, but I just love showing you guys what I get in my box. Also, can you believe it's like August already? Where has the year gone? Okay, this month's theme, what is this month's theme? I haven't even looked at it. It is Go All Out. So first item is a skincare product. We actually have 2 skincare products, that's why I have nothing on my face right now, and this is the first one. This is the Clear Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. So this mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. This lightweight, fast-absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin, mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum, and this is $38. Ooh, it's got a nice pineapple-y scent. It says on the box how to use directly after cleansing, mist onto clean, dry skin before both AM and PM before serums, moisturizers, and SPF. I did my skincare a couple hours ago in the morning, but you know, we're just gonna use it now. Let's just spray it. Usually most hyaluronic acids I've used are like in a pump, so this is, and I usually have to like spray my face and then do it, so this kind of like is a 2 steps in one. Let's spray it on. That was definitely more than 3 to 4. It's got a nice pineapple scent. I'm not a huge pineapple fan, so you know, I could take it or leave it. And yeah, drying pretty quickly onto the skin, and I definitely added a bunch of glow to my face pretty quickly. Obviously with skincare, I gotta test it a little bit more to be able to like really give my full thoughts. That's why I do a blog post at the end of the month, so that way I can give you guys a little bit more in-depth thoughts on all of my on all the products in my box. I'll link my blog down below, and I'll link last month's post so you can check out my thoughts from last month's BOXYCHARM. Into the next skincare product. So we have 2 sheet masks. These are by Vitamin Squares. Vitamin Squares? You know me guys, I can never pronounce names. So it's VITAMASQUES. Vitamin Squeeze. I don't know. Anyways. So we have the Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable Mask and the Glow Juicy Berries Biodegradable Mask. So the Nourish Mask is a natural probiotic and adaptogen sheet mask made with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair the skin. And the Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptogen sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, and superberry complex that includes raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. And these retail for $18. I assume it's the 2 masks together are $18. But yeah, that's fun. I was like getting sheet masks. We are going to try on one right now on camera. Let's try the Glow one. You know, glow before we do our makeup. I think that's good. Okay, so directions. Wash and cleanse your face in preparation for applying your mask. And that's why I also put on the serum, because I think the hyaluronic acid, because I think it would be nice underneath the mask. Okay, remove the mask from its packaging and place tightly on the face, avoiding eyes and lips. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet mask and gently pat the remaining essence into your skin. Let's put her on. Ooh, oh my god, that smells so good. Makes sense because there's like raspberry and blackberry in this. It smells like a berry smoothie. It's very wet. I don't know if you can see, there's like lots of like bubbles on it. Okay. Ooh, shit. There's lots of serum on it and it's dripping everywhere. Okay, ready? I should have taken my hair back. Okay. Okay, there we go. It's on my face. This is what it looks like, and I'll be back in 20 minutes. Hello, I'm back. And if you hear water running, my brother's in the shower. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. It's definitely dried down a little bit more. Let's take it off. Something so satisfying about taking it off. Okay, there's definitely a decent amount of serum left in my skin. And all up in my baby hairs. Just rub it in. I'm just gonna gently pat my face just to get rid of some of the excess. I don't feel like waiting for 5 minutes for it to sink in. There we go. Let me grab my mirror. Let's look. We're gonna use this one today since the purple matches my shirt. Nice. My skin is looking very fresh and dewy, that's for sure. And cold as well. That sheet mask was really cold, but yeah. I mean, it's a sheet mask. I find with sheet mask, like, as long as they like don't irritate your skin, they're pretty good. You know, it gave a nice good boost of hydration. I love using sheet masks before I like go to an event or something like that, or just like want my makeup to look really good, or if I ever want to do like a little bit of like self-care. Love a good sheet mask. I don't know necessarily if it's worth the price tag. Like, my 2 cents on it is that I think if you're gonna get an expensive mask, make it like a potted face mask that you can use over and over again versus sheet mask. I'd rather just get something for the drugstore since I'm only gonna use it one time. You know what I mean? But so far, not bad. Okay, let's go into the next product. We're moving on to the eyes. We have the Laura Geller The Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. And I have a couple Laura Geller products and I like them. So 12 shades, endless ways. The pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety, matte, and shimmery suede finish to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable, crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft, natural effect? Done. And achieve an easy look for every mood and occasion. This is $45 and a BOXYCHARM exclusive. So I don't know if you guys would be able to get this online yourself. I would have to look it up. It looks great. The only thing is that I have another product that's gold and it doesn't really match the eyeshadow necessarily. So, you know, take a couple finger swatches. Got 3 shades. 3, 2, 3. Not bad. They're all kind of similar in tone and they're soft but not necessarily anything crazy. Let's try maybe some of the mattes and we'll go 1. Oh, I didn't really show it much. 2. Okay, that one was nice. And 3. That one's not bad. Okay, well, I think I want to go with the purples and mauves to kind of match my top, and we're just going to go with the golds. I'm just going to speed through me doing this, so let's do it. Okay, this is what the eyes look like so far. I'm still gonna do like my under eye and all that stuff, but I will do it after the next product. But my thoughts so far on this palette is that like finger swatches weren't that impressive, but on the eyes it's actually pretty nice. It's a pretty like soft palette. So if you're looking for like big impactful shades, these aren't necessarily it, but I mean, it is called the Casual Collection, and I think that matches the name pretty well. It's a very soft, romantic look that I got going on. I think you could create like a nice like smoky eye. It's just like, these are good everyday type of shadows. Yeah, so far I like it. Very nice. And now we're gonna move on to the next product. So this is the next product, and this is actually the product I picked myself. I picked a little late, so there wasn't really much left, and I decided to pick this. So this is the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set, and I actually do have other lashes by Lava, and I love them, so I'm very excited about this. So the Flirty Lash Set includes a best-selling 3D Mink Flirty Lash, a clear and latex-free brush-on adhesive, and gold applicator, and this is $54, and this is a new launch. So like I said, I do have another pair of Lava lashes, and these are in their style Charm. I've worn these a bunch of times and they still are going strong. Okay, I'm going to off camera put on these lashes because last time I tried to put lashes on camera, it did not work well. I have to sit at my desk, like prop up my elbow and all that stuff. I'm also going to do the rest of my base makeup, so I'm going to come back basically with almost a full base because we only have one more product left, so I will be back. Okay, we went quite dramatic with these lashes and what I did on the under eyes, but I love it. I really do like these lashes from Lava. Like I said with the other pair, they're quite comfortable. I did trim them a little bit, but what I like about them is that they definitely do add some drama, but they're not super thick, so you can still see the eyeshadow behind it peeking through. This is definitely for like, you know, going out type of lash. And then I did the under eye. Really like how these colors turned out. A nice cool tone type of mauve-y, but there's also like other shades as well in the eyeshadow palette. Like you got this more of like a gold. It's definitely more of like a neutral, almost leaning cool tone type of palette, which I quite like. As you can see, I'm still pretty dewy because I haven't powdered yet because we have one more product. Oh, and also before I forget with the lashes, they were so easy to put on. The applicator was really easy, and the glue, I did use the glue that it comes with, and it is like a brush on, and it goes on blue and then it turns clear when it's ready to stick on, and I literally had no issues. It was literally like boop and they were on. So really do like these lashes. Okay, now back to what I was saying. Didn't powder because I have a cream product to put on. So our final product is the Jacob Black Playpot. So a Playpot are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. As cream pigments, they are super easy to effortlessly blend out while still offering high impact pigment with vegan and cruelty-free formula. And these are $21.50. And I have the shade Gold Touch, and this is in a shimmer finish. So I assume they have a bunch of different finishes if they're saying it's shimmer. So this is what it looks like. We've got like this potted cream, and there's tons of shimmers within it. Very creamy. Ooh, look at that. Almost kind of reminds me of like a if you've ever had like a potted lip balm, it's very similar texture. Let's rub it in. Ooh, very nice. Kind of blends out really seamlessly. So there's like, you can see there's some shimmers and glitters, but the actual base pigment kind of goes away. So I decided not to use this on the eyes because we had an eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use it on the face as a highlight. But normally I wouldn't use like a golden shade like this as a highlight. I would just use it on the eyes. So definitely, you know, check back on my blog post because I will test this on my eyes and let you know how it stays. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try on my finger on one side, and then we're going to use a brush on the other. There you go. As you can see, I kind of blended in pretty well. There's not really much of a base pigment, but I can definitely see lots of shimmers and glitter particles on the face, which you guys know I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's not necessarily my favorite when it comes to face highlights. I much more have something kind of creamy metallic than actual glitter. There you go. Okay, let's try a brush. We're gonna go straight into the thing. Dab, dab, dab a couple times. Now let's go into the face. I don't really notice much. Okay, let's try and put a little bit more on this. I don't know if you can see much. I can see a little. With the brush, I find that you can see the pigment a lot more and there's less glitter particles. But overall, like, it's not like you're seeing like a stripe of this on your face, which is kind of good for this shade. I want to test this out a little bit more. I want to try it on the eyes. I also want to see how long lasting this is. So I'm on the fence about this product. Let me powder my face and then we will finish this up. Okay, powdered. Now we're looking good. Here's the final makeup look. I really like how it turned out. I haven't done like a cool tone mauve look in a while and I forgot how much I love it. I feel like it just brings the green out in my eyes. Yes, so the total of this box is $176.50. Pretty good total if you ask me. I think it's like a nice price point and I don't think anything is really disproportionately priced. Like, I feel like the pricing of each product is pretty reasonable. If I'm going to quickly go over my thoughts, I need to test this out more, but I really like the idea of it so far. The lava lashes were an absolute hit and actually the glue is pretty good too, and I'm pretty picky about my glue. This palette I think is pretty good so far. Do I think that everyone needs to go out and get this palette? No, not necessarily. I think there's a lot of other palettes on the market that have similar colors story to it. But it was pretty good so far. I'm excited to play around with it more. Listen, I love getting sheet mask in my box. It's fun to use, but it's also only like a one-time use product. And I don't necessarily think that sheet masks are like, you need to go get these sheet masks, but I like getting them and I'll definitely use it. And this Playpot, I definitely need to test out more. I am quite on the fence about it currently. But yeah, so far not a bad box. I'm pretty happy with what I got in the box and I definitely think I'm going to be using a lot of the products. Let me know if you guys got BOXYCHARM and you got these products. Let me know what you guys think. And if you do get BOXYCHARM and you got like a different variation, let me know. I'm always curious about what people got in their boxes. And please like this video if you want to see more makeup related content from me, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Yeah guys, that is it for today's video and I'll see you in another one super soon. Bye!